friends, myself Mrs. Nimisha Nitin Srivastav. Welcome to ACE Academy. Today we learn method to solve the quadratic equations of lesson number 4, quadratic equations of maths class 10th NCERT. So there are two methods to solve quadratic equation. First is factorization method and another is using the quadratic formula. We know that every quadratic equation has two values. So we find those two values of the quadratic equation which satisfy that equation. So first method is a factorization method. Now factorization method means converting the quadratic expression into the two linear factors. So let's see using example. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So there are different steps to solve this quadratic equation using factorization method. First of all, we compare this quadratic equation with standard form of the given quadratic equation. So standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to 1. There is nothing means here is 1. So value of a is 1. That is coefficient of x square. Value of b, which is coefficient of x. So value of b is here 5 and value of c is equal to 6. So this is the first step to solve the quadratic equation, that we have to compare this quadratic equation with standard form of the quadratic equation. So we get these values here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 6. In the next step, we multiply this AC. So after multiplying this AC, we get 1 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 6. So value of AC is equal to 6. We find the factors of this AC. That is, we find the factors of 6. So factors of 6 are 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So this 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3. This middle term is 5x. So we split this 5x into B1 and B2. So we decide this B1, what is B1 and what is B2. Here we find value of B1 and B2 in such a way that B1 plus B2 is equal to B and B1 multiplied by B2 should be equal to AC. So if we select B1 2 and B2 is 3, let's say B1 is equal to 2 and B2 is equal to 3. Then it satisfies these two conditions. B1 plus B2 means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and B1 multiplied by B2, that is 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to AC, that is 6. So value of AC is 6, it is here AC, and value of B is 5, which is B1 plus B2 here. So this satisfies two conditions, hence we put here B1 is equal to 2 and B2 is equal to 3. In this way we split the middle term. Now after splitting the middle term, we do next step here. Now we split this middle term in B1 and B2. Now we find the common. So x is common. Now inside the bracket we can write here x plus 2. Since x is common here. Now from this expression we can take 3 as a common. So we get x plus 2 here. So is equal to 0. Now here x plus 2 and x plus 2 are common here. So we can take x plus 2 common. Now this x plus 3 will be inside the bracket. This is equal to 0. From here we can write that x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we can write here x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 2 are the values, or we can say are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So in this way, using factorization method, we can find the values of the quadratic equation, or we can say that we can solve this quadratic equation. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching it.